What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Patrick Unplugged. Today's topic of the day is the Galaxy Z Flip 5.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell. That helps out the channel. So, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, this just came in. It actually gets released in a couple of days, but I'm able to get this one a little bit early, on a few days early. So, everybody knows about me, knows that I've been a fan of foldables for some time since Samsung introduced foldables, but I've always had a couple of things that I didn't like about it. One was that little gap when you folded the phone. Two, the battery life wasn't that good. Three, the cameras weren't that good. So as they have gone on with more and more iterations of this phone, it has gotten to a point where I felt that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 was finally worthy of a purchase from myself. So let's get into it like we always do. Let's look at the box. So it looks like whatever color phone you get, you're going to get the color on the phone. So I got a cream one. So you'll see there's cream. It says Galaxy Z Flip 5. On the right side of the phone, there's nothing. On the box, there's nothing. On the top, there's nothing. On the left side, it says Galaxy Z Flip 5. You can see it right there. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. And on the back, let's see. The back, it's got a bunch of just, you know, the box. I already cut this open, and I so you don't have to see me use a blade and cut it open. But you're getting a box. You're getting some books, it looks like. Let's see what's in here. Got Samsung branded, really nice. Not just plain cardboard, got a little bit of feel to it. Inside, let's see. Okay, so you're given the SIM injection tool right there. Quick start guide. You're getting a wire. Obviously, everybody knows Samsung is on the USB Type-C to USB Type-C deal. You do not get a brick anymore. Those days are long gone. And then you're getting the phone. So we'll see the phone right there. That's how it comes in the box. So we'll see how we open this. This peels. And then that's the phone. So foldable phone. Feels really nice. I like how it folds. Really nice. You can see that crease a little bit there. It does look like they've gotten better at the crease thing. But let's look at the phone really quick. We'll power it up as we kind of take a look. See if this has any juice in it. It does not seem like it has any juice. Let's see. Nope, no juice. Oh, there we go. So it has a little bit of juice. So Samsung Galaxy, it'll start up. But let's look at the phone. So really quickly, I like how it feels. It actually feels a little slimmer than my Galaxy S23 Ultra in the hand. And I kind of like it. Kind of different. And it's got more of a square feel to it. Not those rounded edges like the S23. It takes some getting used to. But it kind of feels iPhone-ish, if you will, a little bit to me. But let's look really quickly around the phone and see what we got. So you got power on the right side. You got a volume up and down rocker. You got an antenna, an antenna, an antenna. On the top, you got a mic, another antenna. On the left side, you got your SIM card right there. This looks probably like, this is probably the fingerprint sensor. I'm not sure, but it has something there. Got another antenna there, another antenna there. And then on the bottom, you have your two speakers. You have your USB Type-C, and you have a speaker. There's no speaker on the other side, so I'm imagining you're getting a speaker here, and you're probably going to get a speaker out of here in the front. It has a front-facing camera right there. I don't know why it's asking me. Yeah, we'll just start that. Or agree. And then on the back, you got Samsung Galaxy, the cream. You got the black there. You have that other screen right there. I don't know how that comes on there. It came on with a tap. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. So that screen nowadays is big. It used to be halfway. That was another thing. Reason why I didn't get the phone. I didn't like the front facing screen. I thought it was too small. Couldn't do anything. You got your two cameras there, and you got your flash. So that's what the Galaxy Z Flip 5 looks like. It looks like a solid phone. I think I'm gonna rock this one for a little bit. I like the fact that it doesn't have a gap there anymore. So it actually lays truly flat on the actual table. No gap there. They done a really nice job on the actual hinge. You have Samsung branding. We'll get into this. We'll check out the battery life. We'll check out the cameras. We'll see if this is a worthy upgrade from the Z4, the Z Flip 4, and I'll give you my thoughts in upcoming further videos. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. And now I'm on TikTok. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you in the next one.